Hi, my friend. Ever looked around and wondered where all the things you see come from?
Your clothes, the cars on the road, even your favorite snacks, they're all made in factories by hard-working people and clever machines.
Get ready to explore the world of factories, machines, and how things are made. It all happens in manufacturing industries, the backbone of our country's economy.
Let's start with a very basic question. What is manufacturing? Manufacturing means making things. It is the process of turning raw materials into finished products.
Think of it like baking a cake. You start with simple ingredients like flour, sugar, and eggs, and through a magical process, you end up with a delicious treat.
Manufacturing is similar. It takes raw materials like wood, sugarcane, and iron ore and transforms them into valuable products like paper, sugar, and steel. Even the yarn used to make your clothes comes from this magical process.
Manufacturing is the muscle that makes our country strong. It's like the engine that drives our economy, providing jobs, boosting agriculture, and helping us earn money from other countries.
Think of it like a bustling marketplace. Manufacturing creates a wide variety of products, from essential tools for farmers to exciting new gadgets for everyone.
This creates jobs for people, helping them earn a living and support their families.
And just like a healthy plant needs strong roots, manufacturing helps agriculture grow stronger too. By providing modern tools and machines, it helps farmers grow more food and contribute to our country's prosperity.
So manufacturing isn't just about making things, it's about building a stronger, more prosperous India for all of us.
Manufacturing industries come in many shapes and sizes, just like the different pieces of a puzzle. Let's take a look at how they are classified.
Based on raw materials, agro-based industries, and mineral-based industries.
Agro-based industries. These industries use agricultural products like cotton, jute, sugar, and edible oil as their raw materials, turning them into valuable products like clothes, bags, sweets, and cooking oil.
Mineral-based industries. These industries use minerals and metals like iron ore, limestone, and bauxite to create strong and essential products like steel, cement, and aluminum.
Based on their role, basic or key industries and consumer industries.
Basic or key industries. These industries are like the foundation of a house. They supply raw materials to other industries, enabling them to create a wide range of products.
For example, the iron and steel industry provides steel to industries that make cars, buildings, and bridges.
Consumer industries. These industries produce goods that we use directly, like sugar, paper, and fans. They satisfy our daily needs and make our lives easier and more comfortable.
Based on capital investment, industries are two types: small-scale industries, large-scale industries.
Small-scale industries. These industries have a limited investment and use less technology. These are accessible for individuals and small groups to start and operate.
Large-scale industries. These industries require high capital investment and use advanced technology. They play a crucial role in creating jobs and boosting the economy.
Based on ownership. Industries may be public sector, private sector, joint sector, and cooperative sector.
Public sector. These industries are owned and operated by the government, ensuring that essential services and products are available to everyone. Examples are Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited and Steel Authority of India Limited.
Private sector. These industries are owned and operated by individuals or groups, allowing for competition and innovation. Examples are the Tata Iron and Steel Company and Bajaj Auto Limited.
Joint sector. These industries are run jointly by the government and private individuals, combining the strengths of both sectors. An example is Oil India Limited.
Cooperative sector. These industries are owned and operated by producers or suppliers of raw materials, ensuring fair prices and benefits for everyone involved.
Examples are Amul, the milk producer, and the sugar industry in Maharashtra, and the coir industry, also called coconut fiber, industry in Kerala.
Based on bulk and weight of raw materials and finished goods. Heavy industries, light industries.
Heavy industries. These industries use large and heavy raw materials and produce heavy goods like the iron and steel industry.
Light industries. These industries use light raw materials and produce light goods like the electrical goods industry, making products like fans, lights, and appliances.
Agro-based industries are like a bridge between farms and factories, using agricultural products like cotton, jute, silk, and wool to create a variety of products we use every day.
These industries not only help farmers increase production and make their processes more efficient, but also provide jobs and support other industries like chemicals, dyes, packaging, and engineering.
The textile industry, a major player in India, is like a magical loom that weaves together threads of success, contributing significantly to industrial production, job creation, and earning foreign exchange.
It's a unique industry that takes care of everything from raw material to the final product, supporting farmers, cotton boll pluckers, and workers involved in various stages of production.
Cotton textiles, once made using hand spinning and weaving, have come a long way. After the 18th century, power looms were introduced, and the industry has been evolving ever since.
The industry is closely linked to agriculture and supports a vast network of people and industries.
Spinning, mainly done in Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Tamil Nadu, that transforms cotton into yarn.
Weaving, done in many places across India, is like a beautiful work of art that showcases traditional skills and designs in cotton, silk, and embroidery.
India excels at spinning, but the quality of weaving is not as high because it can't use the high-quality yarn produced in the country. Khadi, a symbol of self-reliance and local industries, provides employment to weavers in their homes.
The first successful textile mill, started in Mumbai in 1854, marked a turning point in the industry. The world wars in Europe increased the demand for cloth in the UK, which helped the Indian cotton textile industry grow.
Mahatma Gandhi emphasized spinning yarn and weaving khadi to promote self-reliance and support local industries.
It is important to keep the mill sector smaller than the power loom and handloom sectors to protect jobs and traditional skills, ensuring that the textile industry continues to weave a vibrant and prosperous future for India.
Jute textiles. India is the largest producer of raw jute and jute goods in the world. It is the second largest exporter of jute goods after Bangladesh.
Most jute mills are located in West Bengal, along the Hugli River. The location of jute mills along the Hugli River is beneficial because of the availability of jute, cheap water transport, a good network of railways and roadways, plenty of water for processing, and cheap labor.
Kolkata provides banking, insurance, and port facilities for exporting jute goods.
Sugar industry. It is also an agro-based industry. India is the second largest producer of sugar in the world. The raw material, sugarcane, is heavy and its sugar content decreases during transport.
The most mills are in Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, along with Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Punjab, Haryana, and Madhya Pradesh. Mineral-based industries are like the backbone of our industrial world, using minerals and metals to create a wide range of products that we rely on every day.
The iron and steel industry. This industry is like the foundation of a mighty building, supporting all other industries with its strong and versatile products. Heavy, medium, and light industries depend on it for their machinery, making it essential for our industrial growth and development.
Steel is used to make everything from engineering goods and construction materials to defense equipment, medical equipment, and consumer goods.
Iron and steel is a heavy industry because the raw materials and finished goods are heavy, making transportation costs high. Iron ore, coking coal, and limestone are the key ingredients in steel production, and manganese is added to harden the steel.
Steel plants are strategically located near sources of raw materials and good transport networks to minimize costs and ensure efficient production. The Chhotanagpur Plateau region is a hub for iron and steel industries due to its abundant iron ore, high-quality raw materials, cheap labor, and growth potential in the market.
Aluminium smelting. This industry is like a shining star in the world of metals, producing lightweight, corrosion-resistant, and heat-conductive aluminum.
Aluminium is used to make aircraft, utensils, and wires, and it can even be used as a substitute for steel, copper, zinc, and lead. Aluminium smelting plants are located across India, including Odisha, West Bengal, Kerala, Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, and Tamil Nadu.
Bauxite, the raw material for aluminium, is a bulky, reddish-colored rock. The industry requires a regular supply of electricity and a reliable source of raw material at a minimum cost to ensure efficient production.
The chemical industry in India is like a bubbling potion, constantly growing and evolving.
It includes both large and small-scale manufacturing units, producing a wide range of chemicals that are used in various industries, agriculture, and even in our homes.
Inorganic chemicals like sulfuric acid, nitric acid, soda ash, and caustic soda are the building blocks of many industrial processes.
Organic chemicals, including petrochemicals, are derived from petroleum and natural gas. These are used to make a variety of products, from plastics and synthetic fibers to fertilizers and pharmaceuticals.
These industries are spread all over the country, with organic chemical plants often located near oil refineries or petrochemical plants.
The chemical industry is its own largest consumer, using basic chemicals to produce other chemicals for various applications.
The fertilizer industry. The fertilizer industry, a key player in agriculture, produces nitrogenous fertilizers, phosphatic fertilizers, and complex fertilizers.
Potash, an essential nutrient for plant growth, is entirely imported because India does not have usable reserves.
After the Green Revolution, the industry expanded to other parts of the country, with Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, and Kerala producing half of the fertilizers.
The cement industry. The cement industry is like a busy construction site, using bulky and heavy raw materials like limestone, silica, and gypsum to produce cement, the essential ingredient for building houses, factories, bridges, and roads.
Coal, electric power, and rail transportation are also important for this industry, ensuring that cement reaches construction sites across the country.
Cement plants in Gujarat have access to markets in Gulf countries, making it a major exporter of cement. The first cement plant was set up in Chennai in 1904, and after independence, the industry expanded rapidly to meet the growing needs of the country. The automobile industry is like a bustling highway, manufacturing trucks, buses, cars, motorcycles, scooters, and multi-utility vehicles that keep India moving.
After liberalization, the introduction of new models increased the demand for vehicles, leading to the growth of this industry.
The industry is located around major cities like Delhi, Gurugram, Mumbai, Pune, Chennai, Kolkata, Lucknow, Indore, Hyderabad, Jamshedpur, and Bengaluru, providing employment and contributing to the economy.
The information technology and electronics industry is like a vast network of interconnected devices, producing a wide range of products, including transistor sets, televisions, telephones, computers, and telecommunication equipment. Bengaluru has become the electronic capital of India, with other important centers in Mumbai, Delhi, Noida, Hyderabad, Chennai, Kolkata, Lucknow, and Coimbatore.
The IT industry increased employment opportunities. The growth in hardware and software is key to the success of the IT industry in India. While industries play a vital role in India's economic growth, but they cause pollution and environmental damage.
Industries are responsible for 4 types of pollution: air, water, land, and noise. Even thermal power plants, which generate electricity, contribute to this environmental challenge.
Air pollution is caused by high levels of undesirable gases like sulfur dioxide and carbon monoxide. Air pollution includes tiny things in the air like dust, sprays, mist, and smoke.
These come from factories like chemical and paper plants, refineries, and smelting plants. Burning fossil fuels in factories also contributes to air pollution, and toxic gas leaks can be very dangerous, having long-term effects on human health and the environment.
The Bhopal gas tragedy highlights the deadly consequences of industrial accidents. Water pollution is like a poison in our rivers, caused by organic and inorganic industrial wastes released into water bodies. The main culprits are paper, pulp, chemical, textile, dyeing, petroleum refineries, tanneries, and electroplating industries.
They release dyes, detergents, acids, salts, heavy metals, pesticides, fertilizers, synthetic chemicals, plastics, and rubber into water bodies. These are harming aquatic life and contaminating our water sources. Fly ash, phosphogypsum, and iron and steel slags are major solid wastes in India, polluting our land and water resources.
Thermal pollution is like a hot bath for our rivers and ponds, occurring when hot water from factories and thermal plants is drained into these water bodies before cooling. This sudden change in temperature can harm aquatic life, disrupting their natural habitat.
Soil pollution is like a poison in the ground caused by wastes from nuclear power plants and weapon production facilities.
These wastes can cause cancers, birth defects, and miscarriages, posing serious health risks to humans and animals. Soil and water pollution are closely related, as rainwater carries pollutants to the ground, contaminating groundwater.
Dumping wastes like glass, harmful chemicals, industrial effluents, packaging, salts, and garbage makes the soil useless, harming plant growth and affecting the entire ecosystem.
Noise pollution is like an unwanted noise that won't go away, causing irritation, anger, hearing impairment, increased heart rate, and high blood pressure.
Unwanted sound is a source of stress, affecting our mental and physical well-being. Industrial and construction activities, machinery, and drills create a lot of noise, disrupting our peace.
Every liter of wastewater from industries pollutes 8 times the amount of fresh water, so we need to be careful. We can reduce industrial pollution of fresh water in several ways.
Minimizing water use. Industries can reuse and recycle water in multiple stages, reducing the amount of fresh water they need.
Harvesting rainwater. Rainwater. Harvesting can help industries meet their water requirements, reducing their dependence on freshwater sources.
Treating effluents. Industries can treat hot water and effluents before releasing them into rivers and ponds, protecting aquatic life.
Regulating groundwater use. Preventing overdrawing of groundwater reserves ensures that we don't deplete our precious groundwater resources.
Reducing particulate matter in the air. Industries can use smokestacks with electrostatic precipitators, fabric filters, scrubbers, and inertial separators to reduce particulate matter in the air.
Reducing smoke. Using oil or gas instead of coal in factories can reduce smoke emissions.
Using silencers. Fitting machinery and equipment with silencers can reduce noise pollution.
Redesigning machinery. Increasing energy efficiency and reducing noise can make industries more sustainable.
Sustainable development is all about balancing economic development with environmental concerns. By adopting these measures, industries can reduce their environmental impact and contribute to a cleaner, healthier India.
NTPC, National Thermal Power Corporation, is a major power provider in India and has ISO, International Organization for Standardization, certification for its environment management system.
ISO standards help companies and organizations make sure their products and services are safe, reliable, and good for the environment. NTPC is like a careful guardian of our environment, preserving natural resources and reducing pollution.
They do this by optimizing equipment use, making sure that every piece of equipment is used efficiently, reducing waste and minimizing the use of resources.
Minimizing waste generation, finding ways to reduce waste and maximize the use of resources, like ash utilization.
Providing green belts, creating green spaces around their power stations, nurturing ecological balance, and providing habitats for wildlife.
Reducing pollution, implementing measures like ash pond management, ash water recycling, and liquid waste management to minimize pollution.
Ecological monitoring, regularly reviewing and managing an online database for all its power stations, keeping track of their environmental impact and ensuring that they are operating sustainably. Manufacturing industries are essential for India's economic development, modernizing agriculture, creating jobs, reducing poverty, and earning foreign exchange.
However, industries can also have negative consequences, causing pollution and environmental damage. It is important to balance economic growth with environmental concerns, adopting sustainable practices to protect our environment and build a better future for ourselves and generations to come.
A strong manufacturing sector and a healthy environment go hand in hand. By working together, we can make India a manufacturing hub while protecting our precious environment. Got any questions? Ask in the comments below. We are here to help. Subscribe for more. And let's keep learning together. That's a wrap. Now go out there and amaze the world with what you've learned. See you in the next one.